TDS meter. I love the concept of seeing is believing. I love to be able to show what these minerals are capable of. Yet TDS, total dissolved solids, if you really think about it, it's not what we're eating, it's what we're capable of absorbing. And people always, our consumers always ask the question, how do I know these products are absorbable? How do I know they're available? So what we love to do is we love to take this little device. I'm going to put in just regular tap water. Now I find this fascinating because no matter where I travel throughout the nation, tap water can differ in so many different total dissolved solids. Now in a pure total distilled or RO water, it's going to register 0 because there's nothing in it. It's dead. And yet, in this water here, we have about 200 parts per million of some elements in your water, and that's what scares a lot of consumers. That's why they don't drink out of their tap water, because unless you know what that is, why would you want to put that in your body? Now, we use this little device just the opposite. If these minerals, if you think about it, when we eat a seed, a nut, a grain, a fruit, or a vegetable, those minerals are basically pre-digested for us. They're totally dissolved. They're ready for our bodies to utilize. So with that being said, what I like to do is I like to take these different forms of trace minerals on the marketplace, this being a colloidal trace mineral, I'm going to go ahead and just put in 3 drops. And we're going to go ahead and stir it, and I'm going to go ahead and push it. And as you can see right here, there's not much change. So in other words, they're not lying to you, by the way. The minerals are there, but they still have to go through a digestive process. With the ionic trace minerals, what I like to show is that ion, again, being the smallest form in which that mineral can be derived, I'm going to go ahead and just put in 3 drops. I'll stir it, and it took it right off the charts. So in other words, they're totally dissolved, ready for our bodies to be utilized. It's just like what we'd find within our food. It's prepared, it's ready, and it's totally dissolved.